Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. Now first of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I hope and pray that this year will be very good to you. Now a lot of you guys mentioned in my previous videos that whenever I start writing in my new planner I should make a video. So here it is. But first, let's grab some breakfast, and for breakfast I had the leftover cake from the New Year's Eve. So I am using my Factor Notes planner. I will provide all the links in the description box, and I will also provide the link of the Factor Notes planner review in the description box. This planner comes with stickers and I really liked it. So here I am writing my top 5 goals for the year, and I really want to achieve the 100k subscribers milestone because it will invite so many other opportunities as well. I am also looking for complete financial freedom and stability, so I really want to earn, save, spend and prosper. Next, I want to bloom, that is to take care of my mental health, grow into a better version of myself. So that's what I'm writing here. And next, I of course want to learn new skills and create amazing videos for you guys. And improvement is so freaking important. So I don't want to be stuck at making the same kind of videos. I want to learn better editing skills and create videos that will really inspire and impress you guys. And of course, finally, I want to become stronger and some other things, for example travel and take my health seriously. So these are my top 5 goals for the year, and I know these are sort of generic, not really very specific, but yeah, these were the things that were in my mind. Next, I'm writing my favorite quotations, and I've piled up these books because when I thought about my favorite quotes, these books came into my mind first. I'm starting with Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday, and the quote goes like, "Be natural and yourself, and this glittering flattery will be as the passing breeze of the sea on a warm summer day." Love for Imperfect Things is another wonderful book, and I chose this particular quote that goes like, "Special moments are not separate from our everyday lives. When you make use of something special, it makes the moment special." Confidence is the freedom to set your own standards and unshackle yourself from the need to prove yourself. This quote is from the book Stillness is the Key, and next I am referring the book The Power of Now, which is a very powerful book. Next, I referred the book Heal, which is based on a documentary, a wonderful book. Now from here I chose this particular quotation: "You either have faith in possibility or you have faith that the possibility doesn't exist." And I think this quotation is so powerful. Just give some thought to it and you will understand. And finally, I chose two quotations from the book Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. You guys know how much I love this book. I think you will get solutions and answers to most of your problems. So these are some of the quotes that I have enjoyed a lot this year. You guys will agree that some things are better left private, so I'm only showing you those parts where I am comfortable sharing what I write. So next we will write our strategies for body, mind, relationships and work. So let's start with body. Now honestly, I always set a lot of goals, but I never truly stick to them, which is such a bad thing, especially when it comes to exercise and workout. So this time I have not written anything crazy. I'm just going to do the basic stuff and I'll just try to stick with these goals. However, when it comes to the improvement plan for my mind, I have written down things that I'm actually anyway doing. For example, gratitude journaling, future self journaling, praying every day, daily positive affirmations, reading daily stoic, and some other things. So if you are also looking for things that will help you to improve your state of mind, then you can take some ideas from here. Next, we have the improvement plan for relationships. Now, of course, relationships include every relationship that you have. I'm single, I don't really have a partner, so yeah, but I still have my friends and parents. So for that, I've written that I want to be more patient, I want to understand their point of view, communicate and comprehend, and some other things such as setting healthy boundaries, etc. When it comes to work, I want to make at least 3 videos every week, which is honestly a lot because you have to shoot, edit and upload, and it's quite a lot of work. But I also want to make sure that the quality of my videos are good. I don't want to compromise with the quality in order to produce more videos. So yeah, this is my improvement plan. Now in this particular planner by Factor Notes, there are a bunch of questions that will help you to understand yourself, and I enjoyed answering these questions so much. Some of the questions were so interesting. I had such an amazing time answering these questions, and you never quite think about what you really are passionate about, what is your proudest achievement, and how you can love yourself better this year. But by answering these questions, I could actually understand my state of mind better. I really loved answering this particular question, which was all about the things that make me angry. And when I thought about it, I just kept writing. You can see there were so many things. And then I also liked this particular question, the biggest life lessons I've learned till now. So then the question, 3 words that best describe me. So yeah, I think this is quite a wonderful practice. I really enjoyed this part of the planner. So if you are going to make your own planner, then you can take some questions from here as well. So yes, I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.